Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see 6 off-campus recruitments. So let's start with the first recruitment. So the first recruitment is from Google, which is for the role of software engineering intern, summer 2023. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Telangana. So you can see it is an internship. So basically internship will start in May-June 2023 and is 10 to 12 weeks of duration. And let's see the qualifications required for it. Currently pursuing bachelor's or master's degree or PhD in computer science or related technical field. If you are doing so, you can apply for it. You are eligible for it. Experience in the software development in one or more general purpose programming language. Ability to speak and write English fluently. Preferred qualifications are returning to a degree program after completion of the internship, experience in a system, software or algorithm, knowledge of Unix or Linux, familiarity with TCP or IP, effective implementation skills in either of these languages, which is C++, Java or Python. For applying, you just have to click on apply button and just have to apply for it. If you have any doubt while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Let's see the next opportunity now. So the next opportunity is from Sony, and it is for the role of software engineer. So this is not an internship, it is a full-time opportunity. So the location is Bangalore. Eligibility criteria is must have good analytical skills and problem solving skills, quick learner, good communication, presentation and interpersonal skills, should have passed from 2022 batch. So this post is only for 2022 batch, so apply accordingly. BE or BTech in computer science or information technology or information science and MCA, should have scored 65 and above, 65% and above in 10-12 UG or PG. Job location is Bangalore. Willing to work from office. Last date to apply is Wednesday, that is 12th of October. So please apply as fast as you can. So for applying, again you just have to click on apply button and fill your details. Application process is very simple. If you have any doubts while applying, you can ask in the comment section. The next job is from TCS. It is for the role of TCS. It is about TCS BPS hiring for the year of pass outs, that is 2021 and 2022 batch. So let's see some of the details related to it. So let's see the test eligibility. First of all, highest qualification is you have completed the course in stipulated course duration. You should not have any backlogs. There should not be any gaps in your education. Course type is only full-time courses are allowed. If you have done any part-time or correspondence courses, you are not allowed for this. Work experience, you should have if you have work experience of 3 months, then only you are eligible. More than 3 months, they have said no, but you can still apply for it. Age limit is minimum 18 years and maximum of 28 years. So course and discipline, you can see that all these courses are allowed. Basically they have included all the courses. If you can see and check, if you have done one of these courses, then you can apply for it. Let's see the test pattern that is going to be there. So there is going to be a numerical ability section where 26 questions will be there and you will have 20 minutes of time for it. Verbal ability section where there are 24 questions and you have 20 minutes for it. Reasoning ability and it will have 30 questions and 25 minutes of time. For applying, you just need to register and then by clicking here, and then you can apply for it. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. The next job is from EY, which is for the role of trainee tech consultant, National Technology Solution Delivery, Hyderabad. So you can see the responsibility is something related to SAP application. You have to support, design, build and test SAP application, and skills are required are analytical in nature and should be able to grasp new concepts very quickly. To qualify for the role, you must have full-time graduate or postgraduate from the recognized university in the discipline of computer science or information technology or ECE, good programming knowledge in any one language, least preferably object-oriented language. So there is no prior experience required. So if you are a fresher, you can apply for it. And application process for applying, you just need to click on apply and you need to register if it is required. Otherwise, you just simply have to insert your details. So the next recruitment is from Rubrik. It is for the position of intern. So it is an internship which is for the role of software engineering winter intern, and the location is Bangalore. So you can see and read about the job and the responsibilities that are required. So let's see what they need as the qualification. So bachelor's or master degree or equivalent in computer science or related field, proficiency in one or more general purpose programming language like Java, C++, C Scala or Python. Winter internship is of 5 months. You can see the duration, that is from Feb to June 2023. Eligibility criteria required is CGPA 8 and above only, 2023 graduating batches only. So all of this is the information, and if you are qualifying the eligibility criteria, you should definitely apply for it, as Rubrik is a very good company. So you can just simply apply, and if you have any doubt while applying, you can ask in the comment section. For applying, you don't have to click anywhere. You can see that the form is at the below of the requirement only, so you can just fill your details like first name, last name, email, phone, your resume, and your location. These are the mandatory fields. Other fields are like LinkedIn profile and website. These are not mandatory. If you want, you can upload, and you can submit. When you will submit, your application will be submitted, and if you get shortlisted, you will get a mail from them, and you can follow according to the next procedures. So the next job is from PwC, and the role is again product and technology intern, which is for the batch of 2023, and you can see the stipend that they are giving is very good, which is 40,000 per month. So let's see the job description. Learn about how PwC works as a business and adds value to the clients. Think broadly and ask questions about data, facts, and other information using tools, techniques, and firm standard methodologies to support research analysts and problem solving, producing the high quality work, keeping up to date with technical developments, communicate confidently, a clear, concise, and articulate manner, embrace diverse perspectives, and welcome opposings, uphold the firm's code of ethics and business conduct. So these all are the job description. You can simply apply by clicking on the apply now button. If you have any doubts while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and if you feel this video has helped you, please give it a like and also share it amongst your friends. Thanks for watching.